Good morning students, welcome to our Sheba online class. Now we are going to continue our lesson visual communication. In last class what we saw about? We saw about how to on the computer and how to off the computer, and we also saw about the files, folder and also difference between the file and folder. And then we also saw about how to create a file and how to store in the folder and also about the notepad. Now we are going to see briefly about next topic. Okay, next topic what we are going to see is the auto visual. That means auto means what, visual means what. Auto is also called as audio. Audio means hearing. Video means visually we are going to see some images or some pictures. Okay, that is a visual. Now let's see, the pictures and audio visual gives us more understanding than teaching and writing on the blackboard. That means just take an example. இப்போ நான் வந்து உங்களுக்கு எழுதி போட்டால் அது உங்களுக்கு புரியுமா? புரியாது. அதுவே நான் வந்து உங்களுக்கு some images and more videos when I show to you means then only you can able to understand the clearly more than the writing some presentation like that. Okay, நம்ம எழுதி போடுறதை விட ஒரு விஷுவலாக பார்க்கும்போது இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் நம்மளுக்கு கிளியராக அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணலாம். அதுதான் வந்து விஷுவலாக சொல்கிறாங்க. அந்த விஷுவல் in that instead of that visual also they are having a audio, they are connecting a audio too. Okay, now you are seeing my video, no, that is same only. In this the audio and also video which I am taking a class, both are you can able to listen. Okay, that is a audio visual. And instead of saying a story like once upon a time there was a king, we can understand the concept easily by seeing the video and also it registers firmly in the mind of the student. That means ஒரு சயின்டிஃபிக்காகவே எடுத்தாலே when seeing some புக்கை நம்ம இப்படி பார்க்குறதுக்கும் like in when seeing videos, the visual will be reached so fastly when comparing to reading. Okay, that's why the students, the childs all are just understanding easily when seeing the videos. And now see the concept easily through the picture is known as visual communication device. Okay, what is our lesson name? Visual communication. That is now going to see this only. Okay, and the picture வந்து நம்ம பார்க்கும்போது தான் visual communication device. That means VCD. Okay, VCD means visual communication device. Okay, and then for example photos, audio visual, drawings, animation, all these can be created easily with the help of computer. Okay, when you give some photos to edit some song, everything nowadays it came in a cell phone itself, but when you give to some Photoshop like that, they will do some animations and they will do some many things. Okay, that is a audio visuals drawing. We can able to draw in computer also. These things which we are making, that only the help of computer. Okay, and we create easily with the help of computer. And also cinema is a good example for the VCD. That means visual communication device. Okay, cinema is the one of the best example because in that they are doing a animation, graphics and also audio. We can able to hear the audio and also visual everything. Okay, that is a example. Now let's see the photo gallery and photo story. Okay, you all must have admire the photo in the album. Okay, in the album we have a photos, to beautiful photos and edit the photos. Photographers are using a software known as Photoshop. Now we want to edit some photo. Okay, for that which we will use? We will use some Photoshop. In this page number 100 there is some images. Okay, just see in your book there will be images. Just select some photos. Just select some photos and then you have to go to edit and you have to give what effects or some color will be there, blur, effects, sunshade like this. In all that effect you have to just select what you want and then just apply it to that pictures which you chosen. Okay, then that photo will be changed, some beautiful or a clarity like that. Okay, for that only we are using Photoshop. Can we make photo gallery only with the help of photos, or this anything more to do with a bunch of photos? Okay, I told you about the only one pictures. In one images or one photos only we will edit and doing some effects, but for a bunch of photos, bunch of means more than one photo, two photos. Okay, for bunch of photos also we can able to edit in the Photoshop. Okay, first understand, we have studied photo story like this. Children learn concept easily through photo stories than by reading words. Okay, children in a small age itself, everyone what they will do, they will understand more clearly when seeing some pictures. When I am saying once upon a time a girl will be there, a boy will be there means you can't able to understand it because you will not able to imagine. But when I show you some pictures mean what will happen? Okay, there is a girl, the girl will be like this only. You will able to understand easily. Whenever you the days go on, but you will remember about the girl will be there and the boy will be there in the story, like that only you will remember. For that only the photos and the videos, audio will be useful to understand very easily for the children. This type of photo story can be converted easily into video with the help of software Microsoft Photo Story. What is that? Microsoft Photo Stories. Okay, with the help of this software only we can able to convert the photos into the video. For this editing the pictures, images, that is Photoshop. Okay, for editing some photos only, that is Photoshop. But for a bunch of photo, when converting into photo to video means we have to use the Microsoft Photo Stories. And then just see, next we are going to see about the Microsoft Photo Story. Now we are going to see that how we can able to make. To make video with the help of this software, we have to order the photo first, then we have to select the music and keep it in a file. Just see, we have to just select the order of the picture. In this you will select only one picture, that is so easy. Okay, but when we are going to make some video means we have to select the pictures, but we have to select in the order wise. If once upon a king, okay, like just take king image, and then after the king there is a queen. Okay, then what you have to do, in the story they are saying first king, so you have to select the first king photo and then you have to select the queen, because secondly they are mentioning the queen only. And then what you have to do, third one, then the soldier is there, then means you have to select the soldier images, and next further the story will be moved on. For that you have to select orderly, and then you have to select the music also. For this king story mean what you will select, like some war effect, you want that effect, no, for that you have to select that type of music, and you have to store it, these images and music in the file. I already told you how to create a file. Like that only you have to store in the file. First step, what I told, step 1, just see. Now see the step 1. Okay, the step 1 is open the application of Microsoft Photo Story. Okay, Microsoft Photo Stories, that is a step 1. We have to just open the application of this and then select being a new story and click on to the next, and in this you have to click being a new story. Okay, new story, and click to the next button. whenever we use the computer, we have to select and also we have to give the next button. We have to just click it. Okay. And step 2. What is step 2? Click the import pictures in the next screen. That means after this we have to click the import pictures. Whatever pictures we want, we have to just select the pictures and also select saved picture for video. Whatever the pictures we want to create into a video means we have to select the picture and also save it. No, that only we have to save it and also then give next button. And then again step 3. The step 3 is now we can put small text with it applied to the pictures. Okay, what are the small? And then next, after the next button we have to add some textures. Okay, if you are creating some videos like a presentation for the science means what you will do, add the plant pictures. Okay, add the plant pictures and you will write here leaf, flower, like that. Okay, you have to write the text. Okay, that is we have to just apply the text in the pictures. And then again what we have to do, we have to click the next button. And then after that what we done, we selected the Microsoft Photo Story and then we selected some new pictures and also selected the next, and then picture. In this picture we are creating some texts and also then again we are given the next button. Now we are going to move to the audio effect. I already told you audio means that music or the sounds. Okay, just select the audio effect. For relating to this, which one you want the audio means just copy it and fix it to that. Okay, and then give to the next button. And then step 4 is to provide background music. We can select a music file through select music and click on next. That means for a background music. If I am talking means I want background music for this video means I have to add another music for that. For that only select music. Okay, and then after to go to next. And then step 5. What is step 5? Next, select the title of the story, select the place where it has to be saved in your computer, and then setting change the format of the video. That means for this everything is over. We already selected, inserted some textures and also audio and also the background music, everything. Now what we want to do, we have to write the title of the video. We have to choose the title of the video and we have to write it on, and then we have to save it in the file, and then what in setting we have to change the format. Okay, format means what the name. I want this video like this only means I have to change the format. Which format I want, I have to change it. That is the format. Okay, and then step 6 is now our video is ready to view. Click the view your story, and then after that when you created everything means you just going to leave it. No, you have to just once have to check. Okay, for that you have to click the view button. I am going to see means what I will do, I will click the view button and then I will see how I created perfectly or not, or I am having some mistake means I will clear it out. Okay, these are the steps for creating a video. And then now we are going to see about the graphics and animation. Now we saw about only the photos converting into the videos and audio effect and background music, everything. Now we are going to see the graphic and animation. Raster graphic. What is graphic, ma'am? When some ஒரு பொருள் வந்து நமக்கு இல்லாத பொருளை இருக்கிற மாதிரி காட்டுறது தான் கிராஃபிக். ஓகே, இமேஜினரி. இப்போ வந்து டைனோசர்லாம் நம்மளுக்கு இங்கே வராது. அப்போ நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம், அது இருக்கிற மாதிரி some graphics we will do. For that we use a computer and also some application to apply for that. Okay, for that only graphic effect will be there, and the picture or image which is created by raster graphic is entered as file and data. When we are going to create some graphic means it will entered as in file and data, like this only it will entered. Pictures are of two types, one in vector, another is a raster. That means picture in two types. There are what all are they? raster and vector. Okay, these are the two types of pictures. Then what is raster graphics means? This is based on the pixel. I hope that you all know about this word pixel. Okay, ஏதாச்சும் ஒன்று சொல்லும் போதே பிக்சலில் இருக்குது அப்படின்ட்டு நம்ம ஃபோட்டோஷாப்லாம் போனோன்னா அவங்க சொல்கிறத நம்ம கேட்டிருப்போம். ஓகே, த ஃபோட்டோ டேக்கன் பை த கேமரா அண்ட் த ஃபோட்டோ ஸ்கேன் பை த ஸ்கேனர் ஆர் த ராஸ்டர் டைப். தட் மீன்ஸ் வென் வி டேக் அ ஃபோட்டோ இன் த கேமரா இட் வில் ஜஸ்ட் scan and then it will in or scanned by the raster type. That is அந்த scan பண்றத தான் வந்து raster graphic ன்னு சொல்றாங்க. When we enlarge this type of photo we could see the picture rectangular layer or grid. When we want the picture, when picture is like this only means we can't able to see. When we want a larger means we have to just crop it. நம்ம மொபைலெல்லாம் இருக்கும் க்ராப்னு ஒன்று இருக்கும். அது வந்து it will be in the rectangular shape and there will be a box like structure. We can able to adjust. The same way only in the computer also there will be a editing side. We have to just edit it. Okay, and then raster file types are PNG. Just take the one or two mark. There is a list of raster file type. Okay, in file I am just saying about the file type only. Okay, PNG, JPG, GIF, TIFF, PSD. That means file type means what? Which we are going to save in a file. Okay, folder. No, that is these are the type. நம்ம இப்போ ஒரு இதை வந்து நம்ம ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணுறோன்னா அதை நம்ம சேவ் பண்ணி வைக்கிறோம்ல, which modification அந்த எந்த இதில் வந்து போதோ அந்த ஃபார்மேட்டை தான் நான் இப்போ சொல்கிறேன். PNG means how it will be look in computer. The file will be, I already told you, the file will be like this only. In that the file of PNG means it will written as PNG. Okay, and I will show you some images about this, then only you can able to see clearly. See, this is the PNG. The file will be like this only. I show you the file that shape, no, like this in the flower, all this is like that only. Every files will be like the raster file will be like that only. PNG, JPG and GIF, TIFF, PSD. This all are that only. In page number 1 or 2 they also given the brief. Okay, PNG means portable network graphic and GIF means graphic interchanging format and TIFF means stacked image file format. PSD means Photoshop document. These all are the type of raster type, and also the in the editing form is Adobe Photoshop vector graphic. Okay, these are the two types of editing graphics in the raster, and then types of vector graphic files. And now going to see the vector graphic files. What is vector graphics files? PDF, SVG, EPS, AI. Okay, PDF means portable document format. Portable document format means in our WhatsApp group they will send a PDF format. The test will be sending in the PDF format. Okay, that is a PDF. This is the type of the vector graphic. And also for editing vector there are Adobe Illustration, Sketch and Inkscape. Sketch means what? See, just they given some images in the drawing. There will be a light and there will be a shade like this. Okay, this is the size of the painting. And just see step 1 what they given. First we have to scan the picture from the computer. We have to first scan the picture, and in step 2 we have to Inkscape the software. That means we have to just after the scanning the pictures means there will be a crop. We have to Inkscape which size we want, means we have to just move it with the help of mouse. Okay, and then in the step 3 select path option. From the sub menu select trace bitmap option. That means in this book itself they given clearly the slide how it will be open. Okay, in this we have to click the sub menu. There will be a sub menu, we have to click it, and also that going to the option, and in 4 step we have to create correct all that, and then the small screen will be appear. In that we have to upload the edited images which we edited. Now we going to apply in it, and click to the OK button. Now step 5 is now close the screen tracing bitmap. Okay, the bitmap means BI, and then we have to insert all the edited images into that, and we have to do the graphic effect. Okay, and then the main thing is 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional. What is 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional? In chemistry we study about the cubic, and in the maths we study about the square. You know all that, no? So square means what? That which we are going to see images, that is 2D. Okay, for the 3D means we are going to see the 3-dimensional images. In the box we have to see all the 3-dimensional. That is the difference between the 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional. In the 3-dimensional there is a virtual reality video will be there, and I will show you about that video. Just see in this. In our school itself they created a virtual education, that is a virtual video. These all are the 3D animation. See in this is the GIF, that means the animation which will come like this only, repeated mode. I show you the video. Okay, which video? The virtual effect which our school itself they done. Okay, after the GIF, that also in morning appreciation they are giving that. These are the animation effects. Okay, I hope that you all are understand this lesson. Okay student, see you in the next class. Thank you.